Happy Monday, Dayton! We're going to announce our Scholar of the Week. This scholar has not only completed all of their assignments for math, reading, writing, they've done a really great job at it. They have been really reading the questions, going back into the story, and when they're not understanding a question or an assignment, they're reaching out to Miss Pinkayla or myself and asking us for help. So we know that they're taking it seriously. This scholar has also been participating in all of our Google Meetups on Wednesday and Thursday, and able to talk to the teachers and their classmates, so that's been really great as well. We're super proud of the scholar for going above and beyond to make sure that they're still getting the best education at home, and we are excited to announce that Soul Angel is our Scholar of the Week. Good job, Soul Angel. We will be picking a new Scholar of the Week for this coming week, so make sure that you're doing all of your work, you're turning it in on time, and you're asking help if you don't understand something. So let's make it a great week, guys. Have a good one.